Hi guys, to receive this reverse osmosis water filtration system for reviewing purposes, and let's take it out of the box and see what comes inside. Okay, it comes really well protected with foam. Has the water hoses. And here we got the electrical. Some brackets to some bulbs so we can install it. Parts. Here we got the water exit so you can drink water with it. The instruction manuals and installation, and this is the main unit. Okay, this is how it looks. So let's go ahead and start installing it. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I already let it flush for 20 minutes and it's ready. When we open it, we can see that the water goes out and it actually feels softer than the regular water. Okay, now let's test it. I'm gonna take a cup of water and test it. Okay, I've already got my cup in here. And takes it. It's really nice. It feels really soft to the in your mouth. It has a nice mouth sensation. It doesn't taste like anything, just like regular water, and I think it's really nice. I will really recommend it. And just have in mind that you have to replace the water filters between 12 and 18 months. But apart from that, I think everything is really nice. As you can see, it was really easy to install it. It didn't take that much long. It ain't any complicated. You can make it yourself in your house. And well, I think it has much benefits because you can have access to water really easily. So I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.